Maybe someone watching this video is in the same situation. You have land, you have a dream, but your bank account doesn't have enough money. Don't be ashamed. Start with what you have. 1 bricks, 1 bag of cement, 1 track of sand, 1 tree, 1 small step. Progress doesn't always look big. Sometimes progress is simple. No give up. And today I'm going to show you how we transport it and one important lesson I've learned after buying construction material little by little. We started our journey inside the truck. Our driver George was with us and my brother David, and the sun was ready to travel to our land. The weather was perfect after the rain. Everything looked fresh and green. This is one of the things I love about rural Bungoma. The countryside can change completely after rainfall. The soil become wet, the tree become greener, and the whole environment feel alive. But we still had one challenge. We had to get this truck into our land. When we arrived, George stopped and started looking at the entrance. He was trying to figure out how can we get this big Fuso truck inside. The entrance was not easy. We tried, we look at different angles, we try again, but the truck was too difficult to bring inside.
Yes, tuko hapa. Now we have a problem ya kuingiza hii gari ndani. You can see there because hapa imekuwa, unajua kama mvua imenyesha kidogo, imekuwa a little bit hard. Now we try our best to see namna itakuwa. Okay.
So finally, we decide not to force it. We position the truck next to our fence, and that's where the real work started. Sometimes people see a construction project and they only see the house, but they don't see everything that happened before the first wall. Someone has to find the material, someone has to pay for them, someone has to transport them, and someone has to unload them. Every pillar of sand, every brick, every stone is another piece of house we are dreaming about. We may not have the house yet, but we are slowly bringing the house close. Since we started buying material for our house, I've learned something very important. If you have enough money, buying construction material in large quantity can sometimes save your money. Because when you buy one small amount today and another small amount next month, the price can change. You may also pay transportation again and again and again. So little by little, you can end up spending more. But I want to be honest about our situation. We don't have enough money to buy everything at once. So we have no choice. We buy what we can, when we can, and we continue. When I look at this land, I don't only see sand. I see a future home. I see my wife. I see my children. I see my family mate. I see laughter. I see a place where our children can grow. And most importantly, I see God's grace. We have already come so far. Fencing, borehole, toilet, tree, crops, and now construction material. The house is not yet here, but we dream it alive. Today we come with a truck and we left with a pillar of sand. But for us, it means much more than that. It's another step, another sacrifice, another investment in our future. Maybe the journey is taking longer than we expected, but we believe that God's timing is better than ours. One day, we'll stand inside that house and remember this day, the day when we had almost nothing, but we keep believing. Thank you for walking with us. May God bless you, and may He also give you the strength to keep building your own dream.
Сейчас он